Yo, what's good, man? Welcome back to Jill Rich Trades and Stocks. We're spilling all the info that they don't want you to know. And in today's video, I'm not going to be keeping y'all here for too long. I just want to explain how y'all can end the week strong and make some money with me and Jill Rich Trades in the stock market. I want to tell y'all how I made 6.5K since the week started. And I want to show y'all some tips and tricks on how to not get stopped out in this volatile market that we in, man. So without further ado, let's get straight into the money on it. So before we get into the video today, man, I do want to give a special shout out to the Discord again, man, because everybody, even the newcomers in the chat, shout out Reform Mars, man, everybody has been bankrolling in the Discord. As I can see, my boy 88K posted some gains too, man. Everybody has been bankrolling off of the signals in the Discord, man. And like I said in the last video, if y'all do want more one-on-one help, man, more of everything you need to know in or about this stock market, man, we got educational videos of books, day trades for my personal signals, man, all the plays that I'm taking on the daily. We got our vocab right here, charting one-on-one. So like I said, man, make sure y'all hit that link in description if you are interested in joining us in bankrolling with Joe Rich Trades. You did what I'm saying? Now with that being said, man, I do want to get into how I made 6.5K so far in the stock market this week, man. And if I go back to the Robinhood homepage, man, y'all see we not doing no capping around here in Joe Rich Trades, man. Up 6.5K the past week, man. Been bankrolling, trying to set my take profits for at least 2K a day this week. You did what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show y'all my confluences and what trades I took as to how and why I made 6.5K this week. You did what I'm saying? And help the Discord bankroll. So if we put spot on the 5-minute chart and go to Monday, man, this is the first trade of the week that I took. I seen that we had broke and held a key level at 570, man. Spot, as I said in the last video, has been holding true to these key $5 levels, man. So I already had a key level box right here, and that's just kind of how I indicate key levels on spot, because you do usually have to give or take 50 cents because spot is so volatile. You understand what I'm saying? Now as market opens, we was holding this key level of 570, holding above there, and I seen that we was wicking from the downside. What does this mean, man? The sellers tried to run it down, but the buyers brought it right back up from this key level, and it was respecting the 5-minute 50 EMA. And like I said on the last video, if y'all have been paying attention, the exponential moving averages is just a price point and a good indicator as far as what SPY follows, man. As y'all can see, it's usually reacting strong off of these EMAs. Today is following the 20 EMA. You understand what I'm saying? But we'll get to that in a second. So I seen it bounce, and I seen it give confirmation that it wanted to keep going up on the 5 minutes. So you know what I did? I turned this on a 1-minute time frame for my entry. And as we go to here, turn this on a 1-minute time frame to get the best entry that I could, man. And I seen that it wasn't really trying to retest 570 anymore, so I entered right here. Is it popped back above and held the 200 EMA on the 1-minute, man, and I set up my risk to reward as such. I said if it comes back below this candle, I'll just re-enter down here if it does hold 570. You understand what I'm saying? So the buyers brought it up, and this was an easy play, a quick little snipe in the span of 15 minutes. That was about a 50% gain, man. And then I seen that, okay, it could reverse at this 573 level because we did have reversed there before, and the sellers have stepped in here before. So I didn't want to overstay my welcome. But I was looking at the charts and I had more buying power. And again, I seen on the 1-minute, it was following the 50 EMA. It bounced off of it and gave the confirmation that it was going to hold this level that we had this previous order block at in this consolidation right here. You understand what I'm saying? So as we popped back above there, I went for a snipe, man. We came up, retested this level at 572.80, but the sellers really couldn't sell it off. And if we make this chart like this, man, I'm gonna put y'all on some free game, a high probability setup, right? This is called a bull flag pattern, man. And I seen we wasn't breaking out of this bull flag. We had an up move, then this consolidation right here, in this little channel is a bull flag pattern. What did we do? We popped up past the bull flag and hit my take profits, and I locked in profits there because I didn't want to overstay near, again, a $5 key level. And as y'all can see, I did tell the Discord on Monday, we're not stopping until we hit 574 to 575. Hold on. Let me see. Looking like a bullish type of day. I wouldn't force puts on that until real confirmation, but make sure your entries proper. SPY not stop until 574 and 575. And what did it do, man? What did it do? As soon as we got to 574 to 575, the real sellers started to step in. You understand what I'm saying? So I don't just be talking for nothing, man. Make sure y'all putting these levels on y'all charts so y'all can trade and bankroll like me in this Discord. You understand what I'm saying? And then I had some longs in Tesla that I let pop up, man, but I'm not going to explain that because I did explain that in the last video, man. Now we're going to put Starbucks on the 15-minute chart because I did bankroll off of S-Bucks yesterday too, man. And I'm going to show y'all why and how I bankroll. We're going to put Starbucks on an hourly time frame. Today's an EMA lesson. If y'all don't take anything away from this video today, man, take this EMA lesson away. You understand what I'm saying? Now we want to look at Tuesday. All right. I put this on an hourly time frame when I was charting with my man's B-Dot. Shout out B-Dot, man. And we said, okay, this is in a major downtrend in the ultra grand scheme of things. Like after it hit this all-time high, well, near all-time high range, man, where it has a big sell-off zone on the daily. Let me put this on the daily so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Y'all see the last time we hit this zone, what did it do? We gapped down and kept running down. You understand what I'm saying? You always want to look to the left on your charts so you can see confirmation on what a stock might do, where the buyers and sellers might step in at, man. So again, if we put this on the daily time frame, we see, okay, we're in a major downtrend. I said, put this on the hourly chart. I put it on the 1 minute, my fault. I put this on the hourly chart. I said, okay, we have been getting slammed off of the EMAs and respected the hourly EMAs all last week. You understand what I'm saying? In some type of way, and the weeks before that, boom, came up to retest it, got slammed. Came up to retest it, got slammed. You see the trend here. So as I seen it started to break and hold back under the EMAs on Friday of last week, I said, okay, man, it did the same thing on Monday. I said, what am I going to do and how am I going to attack this? I said, I want to enter at a retest of the EMAs on puts, man. What are put options? This basically means you're buying options saying that a stock is going to go below your strike price for you to make money. You understand what I'm saying? So puts mean like you put the phone down. Call options mean you pick the phone up to make a call. So when you're putting in the call, you're saying that the stock is going to go above your strike price. When you're putting in the put, you're saying the stock is going to go below. So I entered right here, man. We're going to pull up my drawings and put it on the 15-minute time frame. Do I not have my risk reward set up right here? Well, I had got a perfect entry on it, basically, man. I entered right here. Hold on this fake little pop-up, and I put my stop out above what had turned into intraday resistance on Monday. You understand what I'm saying? Because then it would have been breaking trend a little bit. So I said, wham, bam, okay, I'm gonna set my risk to reward up like this. And I am mad, bro, because I really G'd it on the play. Like I could have held this all day for real, and been bank rolling, but I did lock in 30% gains when it came down and started consolidating at this liquidity zone that was right under yesterday's lows. You understand what I'm saying? And again, with this liquidity, man, this is just where buy orders and sell orders are stacked up at in the market, man, where people are getting stocked out at or entering trades. You understand what I'm saying? And as for today, I'm gonna show y'all the last play that we took, man. We turned this back to the ticker symbol SPY, and I'm gonna show y'all why I had called out SPY puts, man. As you can see, we had this 573 to 574 level turned into support yesterday. I said, okay, this is a key level that I'm watching for tomorrow. And we had liquidity right there under these pre-market lows. So as we started breaking pre-market lows, what did I do, man? You got to turn SPY on the 1 minute because I really be sniping SPY. I seen, okay, we broke it and we're holding under it. And again, what are we doing in the short term, man? Respecting these minute EMAs. You understand what I'm saying? So after I realized we was respecting the 1 minute EMAs, I entered right here, man, because the sellers and the reds are outweighing these little bitty green candles. You understand what I'm saying? The greens had no price action in them. So I said, okay, I'm going to go SPY puts right now, man. So I entered, and as y'all can see, I sold at these lows, man, right here. And I didn't want to overstay my welcome and stay into this retest to see if it was going to keep going down or this was going to be a true bounce. You understand what I'm saying? And I did lock in 46% gains, I want to say, on SPY today, man. We can go to the history so y'all know I'm not doing no capping. You did. Go right here, hit show more, and then as y'all can see, I bought SPY for roughly 3,500 and sold all my cons for damn near 7K. You understand what I'm saying? So this shows you how much more volatile and exponential you can grow your money with trading options versus just buying and holding shares of a stock. You understand what I'm saying? So moving on as the week goes on, man, we are early in the trend day, man, and as y'all can see, what is SPY trying to do? The SPY is trying to hold again this $5 key level, which we had liquidity at when the week started, man. We still have orders to fill down here in this fair value gap because we gapped up and there was no selling pressure in between. Here, you understand what I'm saying? So with that being said, as we move on, ending the week, man, so y'all can make some money, make sure you're watching SPY to break and hold back under this 570 support level, man. Break and hold meaning not wicking down here and then the buyers stepping in and bringing it right back up, man. Breaking and then holding meaning something like, you see how we broke this and then we held above it right here, man. The buyers stepped right in at this key level. I want to see a break and hold of this. You understand what I'm saying? Of this area. And if we don't break it, hold it, man, and we bounce, this is just another buy opportunity because in the ultra grand scheme of things, if we put this on the daily time frame, we have been selling off heavy on SPY, man, and I don't feel like the correction is done yet. The buyers are still in control in the short term. You understand what I'm saying? So just keep these levels on.